Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, December 14, 2021. Headed tomorrow, the traders are looking for the outcome of the interest rate, the yield curve, inflation from the last FOMC meeting for the 2021. So you can see that the market did pick up volatility toward the quadruple option expire on this Friday also. So the market is choppy on Monday until half day today, and then they'll be able to stabilize and then find a way to put it up. So tomorrow will be the important day. Let's see how the Fed they're going to say. That will tell the fate of the market so that we can see we'll be able to have a Christmas rally or not. Okay, but right now, look at the SBY. Okay, you can see that the Spider SB 500 ETF. After the run up, they hit the sell zone. So when they pull back down, they try to fill up the gap here where they gave up. So now if they fulfill the gap here, so tomorrow the next candle will tell us what is the fate of the SP 500 in the last couple of weeks here of the year 2021. I still believe that we still have a chance to put it to the upside. So look at the EBD SP 500. We pull back down and we hold up here. So tomorrow if we're able to pull back up after the Fed here, the market will find a way to push it up again. If you look at the NQ, it also found a support, and let's see they can hold on to this support and push it back up. Same thing like a QQQ, as you can see here, they drop down, they fill up the gap here, so they hold up here. So tomorrow, the first thing they will try to rebound and fill up the gap here first, and let's see how they'll be able to carry the momentum to break out the Dow trend line here and continue or not. Look at the Dow. It also very strong here. They break out of Dow trend line and they come back to retest. If the retest here is whole, they will continue to put it up to the upside. The Russell 2000 is a little bit choppy here. They are trying to back and forward retest the buy zone here. Again, they need to hold up this one here and break out of Dow trend line here in order to continue to move to the upside. Look at the crude oil. It's still in the sideways choppy here after they run up, so they need to pull back a little bit to build some momentum before they can give it the clear direction to break out to the upside again. Gold is still in the choppy downtrend area here, so they need to hold on to this support here. If they fail to hold on to this support, they can more trouble for gold. Okay, look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also stabilized at the buy zone here, so they're looking for some kind of rebound short term here. The same thing like Ethereum. They hit to the buy zone, hold up. Now they try to buy back up again. So overall, the market, a lot of stocks they saw up. Okay, a lot today here. So let's see. We're looking for the short term rebound to the upside first. Now let's take a look on the volatility index. As you can see here, volatility index, this morning they shoot it back up, but they calm down a little bit. But the overall volatility is still high. They are still above 20. So it means that the market is still choppy, volatile tomorrow until Friday for ups and expire also. So you have to be watch out for your top lot if you are a short-term trader. Let's take a look on the 10-year Treasury note. It's still choppy into the downside. So the interest rate it looks like it's still okay. But if the Fed they say something, this one can bounce back up. But right now it's still bearish to the downside. Okay. Now let's take a look on the 11 sector of the SP 500. So the material sector, they still hang tight here, so they push it back up. Now they go sideways, make a flag before they can find a way to push it up again. The communication service, this sector kind of the weak one, so they still in trouble here. So this is the zone they need to hold up before they can bounce back up. The energy sector is also still choppy below the Dow trend line here, so they need to, in order to go higher, they need to find a way to turn around. Otherwise, they still choppy sideways there. Financial sector is also strong. They still A little bit choppy here, but today they hold up pretty tight here. So if they can hold on to this level, we need to looking for the next leg to the upside. And matter of fact, you see a lot of financial stock try to put it back up if they be able to break out this level here in the future. The industrial is still same thing. They put it back to the sell zone, they pull back. So they need to hold on to this level of support here in order to turn around, in order for them to go higher. The technology sector is still strong after they put it up here, they come back. So they found a support. So tomorrow, if they can put it back up, the first thing they will fill up this gap here. And if they can continue to push it up, it will have a chance to move higher. The consumer stable is one of the strong ones that I have shown you. So a lot of stock, and this one is still moving well, like McDonald's, Pepsi Cola, Procter Gamble, Coca-Cola. So those stocks are still pretty strong there. Okay, if you look at the chart, you can see they will hang tight to the upside. The real estate sector is another sector that still hold tight to the upside, even though they pull back today, but they pull back to retest. But this level of support, the resistance now becomes support. As long as it still stay there, the momentum is still up to the upside. Another one is the XULU, which is the utility sector, which is the defense sector. When the market go down, this sector puts it back up. Now they are right at the resistance here, so let's see. But we don't want this one to continue to go higher. That they tell you that the market will be in trouble. But if they can put it back down or stay around here, then it's still okay for the market to find a way to put it back up. The healthcare sector is also choppy here. They try to find a way to break through this level. They failed the first time. So as long as they can hold on here, and then they can break this level here, until be able to put it back up. And a lot of stocks you see it like Pfizer, those kind of stock, it still hold on to the upside right now. Let me see here. So that's the 11. Okay, XLY. This sector is kind of fall behind. This is the only sector that underperform compared to the other sector in the S&P 500. So so today I'm going to show you 3 stocks that you need to watch out. Okay, for the last couple of weeks here. If you be able to break out. If you have been following me on, I make one video talk about a cup and handle pattern. So if you look at, if you miss it, you can search for the cup and handle pattern there. I show you when a couple of stocks, when they build up the cup and handle pattern, they have a potential to break out and go higher in the future. So I'm going to give you 3 tips today, okay, and you take a look and monitor it to see it, what it's about. First one is the ticker symbol is CNC. So this one has been built a big bay here, and then they pull back. Now they found support. They'll be able to break out this level here. So this stock will have more potential to continue to the upside. That's number one. Number 2 is the STZ Constellation. The ticker symbol is STZ. So this one here also have a big bay here. So now if they are on the verge of breaking out, if they can clear this level of resistance, this stock will go up to the upside again. For if you are swing trade or long term, those stocks have potential to give you a long term trend direction there. The next one I'm going to give you is the GIS, which is a General Mills. So this stock had also, they have a big bay here. They build up for a while. They pull back down. Now they come back up. If they can clear this resistance here, you can see easily they will come back and test the high here and continue to put it up even much further. All right, so those are 3 stocks that I would like to give it to you. So take a look and monitor it. Put it in your watch list. Let's see how they are doing. Beside these stocks, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watch list, where we handpick many stocks daily, analyze in detail with the entry target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up, like button below. Thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading, and then I will see you during the week. And yet watch out for the FOMC meeting tomorrow. Take care, everyone.